Hey everyone! Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen or juggling multiple appliances just to make a meal? What if I told you there's a way to cook faster, easier, and with restaurant-quality results? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 instant pots of 2025, and trust me, the number 1 pick will completely revolutionize your cooking game. Stick around because these instant pots are absolute game changers. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Duo Plus also lets you edit the cooking time and pressure level while the machine's in use, versus the Duo, which forces you to cancel the cooking program to change settings. It also gives you the option to silence its alarms. Other conveniences include a whisper quiet steam release. In our tests, they all make some noise, an anti-spin design that claims to prevent the inner pot from moving around while you're sautéing, and 25 customizable smart programs with step-by-step instructions to help guide beginners through a variety of recipes. The Duo Plus also lets you edit the cooking time and pressure level while the machine's in use, versus the Duo, which forces you to cancel the cooking program to change settings. It also gives you the option to silence its alarms. Other conveniences include a whisper quiet steam release. In our tests, they all make some noise, an anti-spin design that claims to prevent the inner pot from moving around while you're sautéing, and 25 customizable smart programs with step-by-step instructions to help guide beginners through a variety of recipes. Number 2. Instant Pot Rio Wide. The Rio Wide is one of Instant Pot's newest models. It features a broader, shorter, shallower design that makes it ideal for larger batches. It offers pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, rice, yogurt, and keep warm functions. And there are 13 smart settings for rice, soup, chicken, eggs, and more. It made a great stew in our lab tests, tender meat and very flavorful broth. We like the amount of surface area in the pot. The brand claims it has more cooking area than a 12-inch skillet, which will allow you to brown and then cook larger cuts of meat. The company also says it can accommodate a 5-pound chicken and 3 racks of ribs. It's also great for larger batches of beans, grains, or hard-boiled eggs if you like to meal prep or have a big family or friend group. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. You can streamline the appliances on your countertop with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate, which combines an air fryer with an Instant Pot. While it may be one of the most expensive models on our list, it's certainly the most functional, and likely cheaper than buying 2 separate appliances. This 6.5-quart model works 13 different ways, as a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, dehydrator, yogurt maker, sous vide, and bread proofer. Switching between the 2 primary functions is seamless. Pressure cook your ingredients, take out the lid's inner stainless steel cover to reveal the air frying unit, then air fry your food. What's more, the appliance offers step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display to eliminate guesswork. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Plus. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is a fully connected multi-cooker that can be controlled wirelessly via a compatible smartphone app. You'll get access to a robust catalog of more than 800 recipes. Just select the one you want and then follow on-screen prompts to walk through the entire process from start to finish. You can also release steam via the app or program a quick or delayed steam release at the end of a cooking program. You can choose from natural steam release, quick release, a blast of steam, or pulse, which meters out the steam to land somewhere between natural release and quick. This model includes a second silicone sealing ring, which is nice for swapping out when cooking very aromatic foods. The inner pot included in this model is a step above the more basic Instant Pot Duo 2. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro. The advanced features make the Instant Pot Pro even more convenient than other models. This model can slow cook, steam, sous vide, and more. It also has 5 programmable presets for your own recipes. The Pro has 28 pre-programmed settings available, including settings for chicken, soup, pasta, and more that have pre-programmed cooking times and settings. The pot features silicone, which makes handling the device when it's hot easy. During testing, the Pro came to pressure in just 27 minutes, the second highest score for reaching pressure. When it came to the natural release, the cooker didn't perform as well, but when using the quick release button, it released pressure in just over 4 minutes. So, which one of these instant pots are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing gadgets and reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep cooking and stay awesome.